Post-construction termite treatment must start with correcting moisture problems because termites favor damp conditions and chemical control fails if the habitat remains inviting. Begin by conducting a systematic moisture audit of the structure, starting at visible plumbing lines, roof penetrations, gutters and downspouts, and the crawlspace or basement. Use a reliable moisture meter for wood and building materials and document readings to prioritize repairs. Readings above 18% in wood indicate elevated risk. Repair active plumbing and roof leaks immediately and replace compromised flashing. Even small pinhole leaks create attractive microclimates for termites. Regrade soil so surface slope moves water away from the foundation at a minimum slope of 1 inch per foot for the first 10 feet and extend downspouts at least 5 feet from the foundation to prevent splashback and saturation. For crawl spaces, reduce humidity by installing a properly sized dehumidifier set to maintain relative humidity below 50% and add a 6 mil vapor barrier across exposed soil seams taped and sealed around piers and perimeter walls. Improve ventilation by ensuring vents are unobstructed and balanced. And when vents are not practical, consider mechanical ventilation combined with encapsulation to keep the space dry and stable before any chemical treatment begins. Common mistakes include treating chemical control as a standalone fix when moisture problems persist, which allows reinfestation. Correct this by prioritizing repairs and verifying resolved moisture readings before applying termiticides. Another frequent issue is poor grading and downspout termination that keeps water against the foundation, and the remedy is to regrade to shed water and extend downspouts onto hard splash blocks or lateral drains. A third concern is ignoring crawlspace humidity and relying only on spot repairs. Address that by installing a continuous vapor barrier, adding a dehumidifier sized for the cubic footage, and confirming humidity consistently stays under the target threshold. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides project information tailored to moisture remediation and termite prevention. We also host an active discussion community where homeowners and contractors exchange practical tips, contractor experiences, and project timelines to help everyone make better decisions.